Always obey the forklift truck manufacturer's operating instructions and guidelines, as well as your corporate safety practices and guidelines. Thank you for using Roura Material Handling's plastic lid self-dumping hopper. This video will illustrate how to properly use the plastic lid self-dumping hopper. Before attempting to empty your hopper, first ensure that the contents do not exceed the maximum weight capacity as labeled on the hopper. Second, ensure the contents are fully within the confines of the hopper. To load your hopper onto your forklift truck, spread apart the forklift truck forks to match the fork opening on the bottom of the hopper. Insert the forklift truck forks into the fork opening on the base of the hopper. Next, place the forklift truck in neutral and apply the parking brake. Secure the hopper to the forklift truck by using the mast secure chain, and check the flip-over handle latch to make sure it is in the closed position. Raise the hopper to a reasonable height from ground level and tilt the forks all the way back to secure the hopper. Transport the hopper to the desired location. Place the forklift truck into neutral and apply the parking brake. The operator will now need to place the flip-over handle latch in the open position to allow the trip lever to trip. Also check the mast secure chain to make sure it is still secure. Open the front lid and secure it with the jack chain assembly so that the lid is clear of the load during the dumping process. The operator will then raise the hopper to a safe dumping position, move the hopper into place, and slowly lower the base of the hopper onto the top of the container the material is being dumped into. With the forklift truck in neutral and the parking brake set, it is important to keep clear of the hopper, especially the rocker track. Lift up the trip lever handle to release the hopper into its dump position. Once the load has been emptied, upright the hopper into the fill position. To do this, Roura recommends that the operator uses the front lip of the bulk container. This can be done by lowering the front nose of the hopper body onto the top lip of the bulk container until the hopper rocks back and the hopper latch pin locks in place with the trip lever handle. Lower the hopper to a reasonable distance from ground level and tilt the forks all the way back. Transport the hopper to the desired location to be refilled. Lower the hopper to the ground, and with the forklift truck in neutral and the parking brake set, remove the mast secure chain. Check the flip-over handle latch to make sure it is in the closed position. Unhook the front lid from the jack chain assembly and close the lid. The forklift truck can now be fully disengaged from the plastic lid hopper, and the hopper is now ready to be refilled.